Hello, I wanted to walk through an application we've been building which provides maximum flexibility in terms of how you both visualize GIS data and edit GIS data in both online and offline modes. So we're building out really a framework that allows you to run applications on tablets. In this case we're looking at iPad, on smartphones, iPhones and Android equivalents, and across platforms as well. So this application will actually run on Windows, iOS devices, Windows devices, BlackBerry devices. So cross-device, cross-platform solution in online and offline modes. To add to the flexibility, we're not locked into one particular environment. So Collector, as an example, which we really like, is locked into ArcGIS Online. This application has got a configuration file, so you can pull in directly your services from ArcGIS Server if you need to, or from ArcGIS Online. So it gives a lot of flexibility there. It's also extremely customizable, so we can add tools to this, we can brand it, we can change it however you want. The key piece to remember in this application, this is a web application, so this is actually one in a web browser, and we can do offline editing, which I'll show you in a minute. So let's walk through the application. You've got a base map here, we've got some overlay feature services, polygon and line services. Down the right hand side we've got all of those features that we've got represented in the map. You'll actually see two tools at the top. We're only going to talk about the tools option here. Let's just tap on that and you'll see a drop down. So we've got the option here to go online or offline, or load off an offline base map. Let's just tap the offline option to start with. You'll notice on the top right hand side we're now reading offline and it's gone red. Let's just pan back slightly and you'll see we now no longer have base maps. We haven't got cache base maps here, or we had cache base maps here. We don't now. Now if we want to, we can load an offline base map here. We're not going to do that in this example, but we can load a tile package here if we need to of this area. So let's just go ahead and do an edit. So we're going to do a simple edit. I'm going to add a polygon. Let me just see if, actually let's add a point. Scroll down to the bottom. Okay, there's some point data, so we'll tap the point and we'll tap the map. Now what we should see come up here is our attributes window, and we've got the inputs that we can provide to that particular feature. So we've got let's just edit the drop down. There we go. So we can go ahead and we can edit away those attributes. Now this does support attachments as well. So in this case the feature services, we haven't actually got attachments enabled, but we do support attachments in the application. So let's go ahead and just make that an addition to the map. Now what we're going to do is go back online. So we'll go online. Now what's automatically happening in the background there is that feature is now being pushed up to that feature service. So we've now automatically updated the service, whether it be ArcGIS Online or as I said ArcGIS Server, with that information. So we've gone from offline mode editing to online mode and pushing that data straight up to the endpoint as well. So this is a really nice new way to provide very flexible visualization and editing in online and offline modes in a browser, across devices and across platforms. Please let us know if this kind of work is interesting to you, and we'd be happy to tell you more about it. Thanks for watching.